Hey guys, welcome to my channel. This is Nesara Gowda. Those who are new to my channel, here I'll be uploading your weekly, monthly, mid-month love career prediction based on your sun, moon and rising sign. This reading is going to be for the Virgo from the mid-month of the August till the mid-month of the September. So before starting the reading, those who are interested in personal readings, you guys can contact me to my email ID which is already there in the description. Okay. So Virgo, in this reading, I'm going to take a look at your past situation, present situation, future situation. I'm going to clarify some of the cards for you and end up the video pulling some final advice. So Virgo, we have the World in the recent past, Two of Pentacles, Seven of Swords. In the present, we have Ace of Wands, Queen of Swords, Justice. In the near future, we have the Emperor, Four of Swords, Four of Wands. The challenge for the mid-month of the August is the Six of Cups. Okay, so yes, Virgo, could be someone from the past coming your way with whom you do have a lot of memories, you do have a lot of experiences. There's a strong bond between you and this person coming your way during the mid-month of the August. I do see some of you still have emotions for this person. Maybe you guys are waiting. Something from the past is kind of prick you up in the mid-month of the August. We're gonna clarify what is that bonding, what's that happening for you. In the recent past, we have the World, the Two of Pentacles, Seven of Swords. You were attached to a person or a situation where you didn't want to. Maybe that person, the situation was not serving you good things. Maybe the person to whom you were attached in the recent past was being lying to you, was not honest. You decided to end the situation. The Two of Pentacles and the World, definitely there was an end happened between you and the other person in the recent past. In the present, we have Ace of Wands, there's a Queen of Swords, there's Justice. There's a conclusion coming your way between you and the air sign, Aquarius, Libra, Gemini, here about a situation. There's a start of a new situation for some of you is happening here. Okay. In the near future, there's the Emperor, there's a Four of Swords, there's the Four of Wands. You're going to meet a person in the near future, or this could be you, who is like an emperor, who has a lot of stability, who gives you hopes towards your future relationship, who gives you some stable feeling, who protects you. Okay, many of you, some of you in the recent future, this you don't see it's happening. A person is doing everything, not making any movement. He's doing it in his own. Okay, whoever it is bringing a stability, you don't see this person is acting up so much. This person is actually not so expressive, but he does many things for you, he or she. Okay, Virgo, I'm going to clarify the Six of Cups, the challenge for the mid-month of the August here. Six of Cups for Virgo. Six of Cups is clarified by the Ten of Swords, King of Pentacles, the Magician. Okay, yes, someone is coming from your past, Virgo, who is here in order to re-evoke something which was closed off. Something the situation got ended up between you and the other person. Here could be the same person with whom the relationship got ended. This person could be coming again in your way, Virgo, because they wanna restart a connection here. With the King of Pentacles, they're offering, they see you as this. They see you as being comfort in your position. They see you as being very, you have grown up, you are career established. They see you as very grown-up person. I think this person could be a manipulative one. This person is here to manipulate you. This person is maybe trying to get you out because you are being strong this time. You have grown up. There's a person, so could be very manipulative. Okay, so make sure you are going to be under your control, Virgo. Okay, I'm going to clarify the recent past. There's a World, the Two of Pentacles, there is the Seven of Swords. Okay, I'm going to clarify the World here. Something got ended up in the recent past. Okay, I'm going to clarify. Two of Wands is clarified by the Seven of Swords. I mean, sorry, world is clarified with Sign of Swords, the Eight of Swords, the Star. Okay, many of you ended a situation with a person with whom you were emotionally connected, with whom you had many memories. Okay, you just ended up because this person was lying to you. This person was so confused. I feel this person was so confused, or this person was not sure what they're doing. Maybe this person was actually maybe they had some restrictions, or I do feel this person put you into a restricted situation in the past relationship where this was giving you a lot of pain. Though you loved this person, though there was a connection, but still this person was making you into a restricted disposition. Okay, you couldn't move on, you couldn't take any action, though there is something I need to do, but though you think you have to do, but the relationship was kind of restricted. The clarity was blocked for many of you in this relationship. Okay, many of you decided to let go the relationship, end the relationship, and start healing yourself. There was a healing in the recent past. You just disconnected. I do feel the decision was in your hand. Yes, Virgo, you decided to end the relationship because it wasn't letting you to do any decision. It was placed you in a restricted position. You do wanted to heal from the relationship. Okay, you decided. I do feel that. In the present, there's the Ace of Wands, there's the Queen of Swords, there is a Justice. Someone is coming your way, could be an air sign, Aries, Libra, Aquarius, Libra, Gemini. I'm going to clarify why is this person here. There's a justice you guys are getting here in the present situation. Why is this person here in the Virgo's life? The Queen of Swords is clarified by the Queen of Swords, the World, the Justice. Yes, it's very clear for you, Virgo. This person is here because they just see you as so grown up person. They see you as being stable. They see you as, okay, I can come, okay, I may have chance with Virgo now. Or this person is here to get what you have. This person was not being so honest with you in the past, but still this person is like, okay, I can fake around the Virgo, or I can open up the situation which got ended. This person is coming here asking you, I'm the king, I'm the queen, okay, whatever it is, I'm here to say you some clarity, give you some clarity here, Virgo. What happened in the past is, it's starting like this. Okay, this person is here to they want to marry you. Okay, their genuine purpose is not known here, that we are going to clarify, but this person is here to marry you. They do want to marry or get some conclusion with you, Virgo. I'm going to clarify the Ace of Wands. There is the start of a new connection for many of you in the present situation. What is this all about? Ace of Wands for Virgo. Start of connection. Ace of Wands is clarified by the Ace of Pentacles, Six of Cups. There is the Hangman. Okay, you don't know whether you have to give them a chance or whether you have to just stick in your head. Yes, this person is really offering you, literally an offer is coming your way, Virgo. Could be from the past. Okay, I do feel the same person who was acting immature in the recent past, you guys decided to let go it. Okay, many of you were going through a painful situation in the past. Though the cycle was very difficult for you to end between you and the other person, you just decided to end because it was giving you a lot of pain. I do feel like you wanted to let go and heal from it, but again this person is offering you one more chance. Give me one more chance, Virgo, let me prove yourself. But you're being stuck in your head, you don't know what to do. This person, you guys are thinking, do wanna take action, but it's not happening. I'm gonna clarify the Justice here. You guys are getting a Justice here. Definitely someone from the past could be coming your way, Virgo. They see you as a stable person, they see you as a stable girl, stable man. The Justice is clarified by the Ace of Wands, King of Cups, Ace of Cups. Yes, many of you are going to marry. Though there's a chances that this could be that this person have changed up, this person have moved on, or this person was bad in the past, but here this person is, I do feel, offering you something big. Maybe this person is, maybe they have changed a lot. Here they're really up to start a new connection with you. They do have love and you do have love for that person. There's a mutual relationship between you and the other person. There's a strong emotional connection. That's what I see here for you, Virgo. There's a chance of a growth of a new love story is going to begin in your life. Okay, there's a marriage, possibly marriage for you, Virgo. Okay, in the near future there's the Emperor, there's a Four of Swords, there is a Four of Wands. I'm going to clarify the Emperor in the near future. Who is this? Who is this? Why is this person here? Could be an Aries in the near future coming your way, Virgo. The Emperor is clarified by the Knight of Swords, the Tower, the Queen of Pentacles. Maybe this person is here. Maybe they are up to start a new stable connection with you. They're up to start something potential, something good bonding with you. But this person is could be this person coming your way in order to damage something, or there's a chances this person is not 100% sure about the situation. I do feel with the Knight of Swords for the Emperor, this person is being reckless, coming very fast without any plans. This person could be coming your way, Virgo, in the near future. Whoever coming, though the personality is very good, though the background is very good, I do feel this person coming into your life which is like unplanned. Okay, if you take the relationship very fast, there's a chances of a tower moment with you and the other person in the recent future, because this person is here to get what they want. This person is here to here without plan. This person is here to, you know, without any plans. This person is here in your life in the near future. I do feel, though there's a stability this person is offering, but there is still this person need to take decision when it comes to you. Okay, I'm going to clarify the Four of Swords in the near future. Whoever coming your way in the near future is not taking any action, is not, the situation is going to be very stagnant in the near future. Why? The Four of Swords is clarified by the Judgment, Page of Wands, the Eight of Cups. Someone will be walking out of the relationship in the near future. Someone will go through a tower moment with a person. Someone will break down with a person in the near future, maybe because of someone's reckless behavior. Someone is not being honest. Someone was stable, but deep inside you guys are not sure about your future. You're so concerned about your future with this person. Many of you are going through a tower moment. That is a disconnection from a person. Many of you are going to realize something in the near future about the person. A truth is coming out. Finally, you guys are getting to realize what exactly this person is, where exactly our relationship is moving towards. Okay, many of you are disconnecting from this emotional connection and starting a new direction in the near future. Okay, I'm going to clarify the Four of Wands in the near future for you. For some of you, you guys are moving towards stability or getting into a relationship where there is a lot of stability. Okay, Four of Wands is clarified by the Three of Cups, the High Priestess, Temperance. You could be dealing with a Sagittarius, water sign, Pisces, Scorpio, Cancer. Okay, I do feel for some of you there's a reunion with a person which you were expecting from a very long time, which you were planning from a very long time in order to have a reunion. Finally, for you guys, it's happening in the near future. Okay, you don't see it's happening here. Okay, could be someone from the past, or could be with the people. This is definitely with the people to whom you are emotionally connected, to whom you feel you already have many memories, or you do feel, okay, these are my people. Okay, this is happening. Maybe you don't see coming. This is happening very secretly in the near future, which is going to bring a lot of stability. I do see you guys planning to have a reunion. You guys are very patient about it. Whoever coming your way in the near future, you're being so patient. You're analyzing the situation between you and the other person with whom you're meeting up. Your intuition is guiding in the near future for many of you, Virgo, regarding the person. You guys are analyzing the situation between you and the other person in the near future. That's what I see here. So very clear reading for Virgo. The advice here for you, there's a challenge, right? Meeting up a person from the past. There's a challenge for many of you. The advice here for Virgo is it's time to take action. Okay, when you realize that about a certain person, about a certain situation, this is not good for me, or okay, this is the time for me to take action, this is the time for me to move on, then you have to do it. Okay, that is all I have for the Virgo people. If you guys like the video, then please don't forget to hit the like button. Please subscribe to my channel. You guys can also follow me on Instagram. The ID link will be in the description. I shall see you all in my very next video. Till then, take care. Bye.